Ngikubingelela mbukeli ngiphinde ngomukela kwesimanje sekuthe kuzona indaba eyifika ngaso-ke isikhathi ke ubaba-ke ukhuza laphana-ke ama-South Africans noma-ke abalapha-ke e-South Africa ngokuthi-ke beyeke-ke laphana-ke ukuhlukana phakathi-ke nangayo-ke imibono laphana-ke ngento-ke eyenziwe uyena laphana-ke ubaba-ke uPhakela Mthakathi ukuthi-ke ehambe-ke ebizwe laphana-ke uyena-ke umongameli-ke uCyril Ramaphosa-ke emhlanganweni-ke owawuphuthuma ngempela-ke njengoba-ke kuchaza yena laphana-ke uPhakela-ke uMthakathi-ke ukuba-ke bebambe-ke laphana-ke umhlangano-ke ophuthumayo-ke bahamba-ke naye-ke laphana-ke ungizwe kodwa-ke lokho sekuwele kwenza-ke laphana-ke iSouth Africa yahlukana phakathi-ke ngayo-ke imibono-ke ukuthi-ke bamshiye kanjani-ke laphana-ke yena-ke uJacinta Zuma. Mbukeli-ke awubuke nansi-ke ividiyo lapha-ke ubaba ekhuza ukuthi-ke ngempela-ke lento-ke eyenziwe uRamaphosa-ke iwukwenza lokhu noma-ke iwukuhlukanisa-ke laphana-ke yona-ke iSouth Africa phakathi-ke kulokhu-ke ebekuthiwa-ke kuyenziwa njengoba-ke bekhishwa-ke abokufika abangekho kuleli-ke izwe ngokungekho-ke emthethweni. Mbukeli-ke ake ngulinike yona-ke le video-ke noma-ke ngushiye nayo-ke bese uya laphana-ke comment section sizwe olakho uvo ukuthi ngabe wena uthini-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba. Siyabonga.
Uthi umongameli wezwe ubaba uRamaphosa umhlonishwa uthi niphoste kahle madoda ningaphosti umbhedo. Yabona usopolitiki loya. Sopolitiki ake ngichaze politics is the dirty game. Ipolitiki nje umdlalo lo ongcolile. Umdlalo oyingozi nje. Ipolitiki umdlalo nje oyingozi, umdlalo ongcolile. Umongameli la ubedlala ipolitiki. Yabona? So ningalokothi bantu base South Africa nibe nophukuphuku. Ngoba la eSouth Africa inkinga yeSouth Africa iyodwa. Ubona bese kugcwele abantu bokuhamba kangaka nje kulelizwe bedla kwasani kulelizwe. Ingoba vele iANC ngesikhathi izothatha izwe into yokuqala yenza abantu base South Africa bebe ziphukuphuku. So iproduct yalokho vele ikhona. Abantu abaningi la eSouth Africa banophukuphuku obukhulu uma nekholwe into nje khona engabe sesebenzisa common sense. That's why ngithi mina sebenzisana umqondo. Umnumzane Ramaphosa laphana udlala ipolitiki. Bahlale phansi abantu beANC igebengu. Ngoba sigebengu sodwa ezikuleya nhlangano yokuthiwa iANC. Behlala ngibatshela abantu abavotela lento ngithi mina nivotela amanyala nina. Ngibatshele ngithi mina iANC ivotela umuntu onengqondo encane isiphukuphuku. Yabo umuntu ongenangqondo nje at all. Umuntu ovotela le yanto leyana. So lezi gebengu ngenxa ukuthi bayazi ukuthi nesikhathi kuzoza inkululeko yini abayenza idamage abayenza kubantu base South Africa. So bayazi ukuthi because batshala imbewu yophukuphuku kubantu base South Africa, imbewu yophukuphuku izoqhuma when they need it. That's why manje mangabe eselapha ethi niphoste kahle madoda ningaphosti umbhedo. Already utshala uvusa imbewu yophukuphuku kuyiphukuphuku egcwele eSouth Africa. Lezi abayifaka uphukuphuku esibavotelayo. Because umuntu ovotela iANC isiphukuphuku. Because awukwazi ukuvotela into ethi wena bulawa. Qedwa. Awukwazi and if you like that uyisiphukuphuku. You are a fool if you like that. So into ayenzayo manje usevusa leya mbewu abayitshala kubantu abaningi abalapha eSouth Africa abaziphukuphuku. Ukuthi cabangani ukuthi there's something umbhedo esiyenzile so that nizingeze umethemba uPhakela Mthakathi. Ngicela ukuthi nibheje bantu base South Africa ngomfoka ndabandaba uPhakela Mthakathi umfoka wamakhola ayahleba indoda udlule ebusizweni ubudoda enye into ubudoda enye into ejule kakhulu ubudoda. Mina ngiyangithi mangikhuluma ngithi amadoda wasekho emhlabeni. Kodwa sengiyeke ngithi mangikhuluma manje ngithi mina hayi amadoda emhlabeni awasekho kahle kodwa ikhona sengiyibonile kwandabandaba. Phakela Mthakathi indoda leya is a man of his own words. Manje lezi iphukuphuku lezo kwatshalwa imbewu yophukuphuku ukuthi ivotele lenhlangano lena okuyona ephethizwe. So uyaqhuma uphukuphuku uma ngabe befuna abantu beANC ukuthi because they implanted the stupidity on these people. So when we need it, then we must go and just ukuthi sivuse, then bese iyaphila, then bese be act against ukuphila kwabo okuphethwe phakathi umthakathi at this point in time. Ngiyazi mina ukuthi umama uJessica uMangobese Zuma uhlakaniphile, akusona isiphukuphuku lesi, ngeke eze eyilalele into ekhulunywa ziphukuphuku kuma social media. Umfowethu abandaba usekhuluma kakhulu echaza manje, echaza indoda leyana asimethembeni ake sibhejeni ngophakela umthakathi. Umongameli udlala ipolitiki, uvusa uphukuphuku kubantu abaningi ebese buqala buphela because umfowethu abandaba nemashenmashi lezinsizwa ongizwe umfowamchunu umlando no bhuti lapha ufele emntwini inyanga leyana bese beqale bayangula bangula uphukuphuku kubantu. Manje laba bayabo ukuthi yes, what's happening now? Our snake pet, it remembers ukuthi actually yena is not a pet, is a snake. So it's gonna start biting. So let's asambeni siyofaka injection yophukuphuku because once you change lion uyenze ukuthi ibe yipet, that means that lion you're making it a fool. But now they know ukuthi one day that lion, it will remember itself. When someone come and show that and remind the same lion ukuthi kahle kahle wena you're not a pet, you're a lion, when you can eat that person that is feeding you whatever food you wanna feed you, and anytime you wanna feed you that food. Then now when someone bring that lion on this thing so that it can lose the petism on it, then now they must inject back, they must put back an injection. So because abantu manje bayaqala, they start losing that petism kubo in their system that was injected by ANC. Then now they have to come back and just inject each stupidity kubo futhi. So guys, let's wake up and smell the coffee. Uphakela umthakathi angeke aze athengeke indoda, uzalwa indoda. Ngiyaba kwethu nina ibambe ikhona ngeke. Hey, umhosha odungulwadle loyana. Hey, yabona manje kufanele umthakathi fona thola ezinye izibongo ke manje. Ezoveza ngokusobala ukuthi kahle kahle bethu usiza abantu, bona abantu athi abasiza bayamvukela manje basemthembi. Asiyeke uphukuphuku. Asiyeke uphukuphuku. Asingadlali osopolitiki. Bedlala umdlalo, adlali la thina. We want our life back. We're not playing games here. We want our life back. These people, politicians, our politicians, they stole our life. They destroyed us. They finish us and they want to finish our children now. And children of our children. So that we can be nothing. Only them and their children, they can be something in future. So let's wake up and smell the coffee. Phakathi angeke aze athengeke, never, not over my dead body, ngeke indoda insizwa uyo yonke into ongayicabanga. So asikhiphe lo buphukuphuku osebuvuswa iANC kithi. We losing it. We losing it there to phukuphuku, but now they want to bring it back. That's they want to bring it back. So no, asithembe le ndoda. Umama uJessica akangalaleli noma yini ekhulunywa isiphukuphuku ku social media. It's poo-poo. No, we can't. Then we're gonna go back. I'm a pet of these people, I'm politicians, because they're making us pets. We're not pets, Tina. We are humans. We deserve better in this land. We own this land. So guys, ubaba nje uRamaphosa, he's playing a politiki. So politics is a game. Let's not play a game with the politics. Let's not trust what he say.